Yo, what's happening? I've got a little-known crypto arbitrage strategy for you today that's been raking in profits for me. If you think you've seen it all in crypto, think again. This technique can truly change the way you view market opportunities. So make sure to stick around until the end because I'll reveal all the details along with a surprise you won't want to miss. Let's dive in. To get started with this arbitrage, you'll need a minimum of 100 USDT and the Trust Wallet app installed. If you don't have it yet, don't waste any more time. Download it now. At the end of the video, I'll share a strategy to execute this arbitrage without needing to withdraw your crypto from your trusted wallet. So stay tuned. I'm going to transfer 1,000 USDT from Binance, where I keep my base cryptocurrencies, to Trust Wallet. Remember, you can also do this with a minimum of 100 USDT, so there are no excuses not to take advantage. Now in Trust Wallet, ensure that the ARPA coin is enabled. Take note of the current price, which is 0.0721 at the